everyone. Today we will solve exercise 8.2 from the textbook of CBSE Board NCERT Mathematics of grade 6. So let's start exercise 8.2. Here this is the first question. Express as rupees using decimals. Okay. Now they have given us the numbers in paise and we have to convert them into rupees. So for that you should know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and therefore 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 upon 100, means out of 100 1 paise. Okay, out of 100 paise we are choosing 1, therefore 1 upon 100 can be called as rupees. Okay, that if we convert into decimals it will become rupees 0.01. Why 01? Because at the place of denominator we have 100 there. Okay, therefore we have to we need 2 digits there. Okay, after decimal point. So just remember rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise and 1 paise is equal to, in the fraction, 1 upon 100 and in decimal it is 0.01. Okay, now let's solve. Here we have the first one, that is 5 paise. So as I told you, 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100. Therefore 5 paise is equal to rupees 5 upon 100. And in terms of decimals it is equal to rupees 0.05. Okay. Now let's take the next one, that is 75 paise. 75 paise can be written as in the fraction pattern, that is 75 upon 100. Now if we convert it into decimal it will become as 0.75. Okay, so rupees 0.75. Next one we have 20 paise. So 20 paise can be written in the form of fraction as rupees 20 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 0.20. Okay. Now D1 we have 50 rupees 90 paise. Now we have rupees also with that. Okay, so 50 rupees it can be a whole number and 90 paise we can convert it into fraction. So rupees 50 90 upon 100. Okay, now while converting into decimal, 50 rupees we should keep it in the whole number part, so it will become rupees 50.90. Okay. Next we have 725 paise. Now here again, as you all know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So here they have given 725 paise. So here this 700 indicates that it is 7 rupees. So we can write it as rupees 7 and 25 paise. So this can be written as rupees 725 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 7.25. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Second one. Express as meters using decimals. Now they have given us the things into centimeter and we have to convert it into meters. So for that you should know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, which can be equal to 0.01 meter. Okay. Now we have first one as 15 centimeter. As I have written here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore 15 centimeter is equal to 15 upon 100 meter. Okay. Now let's convert it into decimal. So it will become 0.15 meter. Okay. Now next one we have 6 centimeter. So it can be 6 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.06 meter. Don't make mistake that by writing 0.6 meter. Okay, it will be wrong. As you have denominator 100, you have to write it in the 100th place. Okay, so 0.06 meter. Now we have the next one, that 2 meter 45 centimeter. Now they have given 2 meter also. So 2 meter is a whole number here. So which we can write it as 45 upon 100 meter. Okay. So while writing in the decimals, we have to keep this 2 in the place of whole number. So 2.45 meter. Okay. Now in the next one we have 9 meter 7 centimeter. So which is equal to, here also we have meter. So 9 meter is a whole number. So it can be 7 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 9.07 meter. Okay. You might have thinking that whenever we have one digit here, we have to write 0 before that. Okay. Whenever we have two digits, we can directly write it because it will occupy two places. But here it will occupy only one place. So that's why we have to write 0 before that. Okay. Next is 419 centimeter. Now here, as you all know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and they have given here 419. So 400 indicates that it is 4 meter. Okay. So 4 meter and 19 centimeter it is. So for that we have to write it as 419 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 4.19 meter. Okay. Now in the third question they have given us express as centimeter using decimals. Now they have given us millimeter and we have to convert it into centimeter. So for that you should know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. It is not 100. Okay. Before in the previous two questions we had that which is everything was equal to 100. But here we have different, that is 10. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So don't make mistake here. Okay. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 1, 5 millimeter. As I told you here, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Therefore, 5 millimeter is equal to 5 upon 10 centimeter, which can be equal to further 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Next one we have 60 millimeter. Now 60 millimeter is equal to 6 centimeter and 0 millimeter. Okay. As we have 60 millimeter. See here, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore 60 millimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. You can directly write it as, but they have told us in decimals. So we have to write it 60 upon 10 centimeter, which can be equal to 6.0 centimeter. Okay. Now next we have 164 millimeter. Now 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, and here they have given us 164 millimeter. So here already 16 centimeter is there. So 16 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Okay, which can be written as 16 4 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Okay. Next we have 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So here 9 is whole number. So 8 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Okay. Next we have 93 millimeter. Just it is same as B1. 93 millimeter, as we all know 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So here 93 millimeter means we have 9 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Okay. So which can be written as 93 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is fourth one. Express as kilometer using decimals. Okay. They have given us the things in meter. We have to convert them into kilometer. So for that you should know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now here it came 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, which can be equal to 0.001 kilometer. Okay. Here 2 zeros are there because now as we have 1000 here, we need 3 digits after decimal point. Okay. So 001 kilometer. Okay. So the question number 1, that is 8 meter. Okay. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. and 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Therefore, here it is 8 upon 1000 kilometer, which can be equal to 0.008 kilometer. Okay. Next we have 88 meter, which can be equal to 88 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to further 0.088 meter. Altogether we need 3 places, so we occupied 3 with 1 0 here. Okay. Next we have 8888 meter. Now as you all know, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and here already 8000 is there, so it is 8 kilometer and 888 meter. Okay, so here the whole number is 888 upon 1000 kilometer, which can be equal to 8.888 kilometer. Okay. Next we have 70 kilometer 5 meter. Okay, already 70 is kilometer in the kilometer only. Just we have to convert this 5 meter. So for that 70 is whole number, 5 upon 1000 kilometer, which can be equal to 70.005 kilometer. Okay. Next question we have express as kg using decimals, and they have given us in the gram. We have to convert it into kilogram. Okay, so for that you should know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.001 kilogram. Okay, so they have given us 2 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Therefore it is 2 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.002 kilogram. Okay. Next we have 100 gram. So it can be equal to 100 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.100 kilogram, which can be further equal to 0.1 kilogram. As we all know that after decimal point, if we have one digit and further only zeros if we write, that zeros will not have any value. Okay, if we remove that zeros, it's okay, but condition is after 0 there should not be any digit, then only we can remove that zeros. Okay, as we have 100 here, after decimal point we can remove these zeros. Okay, so we can write it as 0.1 kilogram. Okay. Next we have 3750 gram. Already here 3 kilogram is there, so we can write it as 3 kilogram 750 gram. Now here 3 kilogram is whole number, so 750 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 3.750 kilogram. This also you can write it as 3.75 kilogram. Okay. Next one we have 5 kg 8 gram. So already 5 kg is there. So 8 upon 1000 kilogram. So 5.008 kilogram. Okay. Next is 26 kg 50 gram. So here 26 is whole number now because it is in kilogram only. So 26 50 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 26.50 kilogram. Okay. Here only the exercise 8.2 ends. If you like my teaching, then please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Bye everyone.